Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki. I am a homeschool mom to an only child in the first grade, almost going into second. Anyways, I want to do our Lakeshore Learning Haul with you. So if that is something that interests you, then keep on watching. All right, if you guys can just see like this whole disaster situation on my bed right now. So let's go. Okay. So I kind of have a lot of stuff, and this is from Lakeshore Learning. I will have their website link below. So yeah, let's just get to it. So first things first is I bought one of these addition machines. If anyone knows these are a classic. These have been around for many years. The only downside is that there is a pattern to them. So like 1 + 1, 1 + 2, 1 + 3. Eventually your kid may catch on to the pattern instead of learning the actual facts. But again, you just look 6 + 5, you press it, the number comes up here. They have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next up, we have been working with money. So I got this money set. So this has $100 bills in the set and 100 coins in the set. And I think the coins look pretty darn close. I don't know if you can see that or if it will focus. Next thing up is this Build a Paragraph flip book. So it is 3 simple steps to build a paragraph with all the necessary elements. There is select a topic, write an introductory sentence, choose 3 detailed words, then write a complete sentence using each one. 3, choose a conclusion sentence to complete your paragraph. So it's just simple. Let's say we pick the topic of pets. So then she would then need to come up with 3 details. So we can like flip. Playful is a detail, take care of, and a conclusion. So it kind of gives the child just an idea and something to help them build a paragraph. We're going to be working really hard on this through summer. And something I got to kind of go along with that is I bought these writing folders. So this helps learn the steps of the writing process. So creating, editing, and publishing a passage using the writing process with guidance and support from adults. So in this folder, we have the plan, write, and finish. So the plan side is draw a picture, make a list of things you know about, tell your story out loud using a graphic organizer. Then we have write, capitalize the first word of each sentence, punctuation, finger spaces between words, capitalize names. Finish, reread your story, add details, pictures, write it neatly, label them. So the back is cool too. It has the entire alphabet. It has describe it, make your writing better by adding describing words, and gives a little bit of some facts. And then it does have a word bank on the back as well as sight words if they need help with that as well. Now I believe this is for early writers, and then it can move on to like later on, later grades. We may even be able to get into this as well. So this has pre-writing, draft, revise, and edit. It has a lot possible writing topics. I mean, I just love the idea of the folders. So I will have everything linked down below, but I just wanted to give you guys kind of a rundown of the writing folders. I think they will come in handy, and we're going to be working on this over summer. So I have two more things here before I get into a set that I purchased. So one of the games that I got was IC10 math game. This is for ages 6 plus. You basically flip the cards, you see and grab combinations that make 10, reel in the most, and win. So this is just something I wanted. It is a 2 to 4 player game. We're trying to really work on our core math skills before we go into multiplication soon. I think we have a year. I'm hoping we still have a year left before we dabble into multiplication. So the last thing I got here is this hot dots. So actually I purchased this specific set off of Amazon, but I did that because it was slightly a little bit cheaper because it was on sale. So this is a master grade 2 math. It includes 2 books with 85 interactive lessons plus 15 advanced lessons. So this is an interactive pen. So basically, if you look at the back, it has a book with a bunch of questions, black dots. You press the pen, it will tell you if it is correct or not. I thought this would be something really fun to change it up a little bit, and that way she can use this as independently. And they have all different types of subjects and stuff like that. So I just got addition and subtraction. And this is grades K all the way through 2nd grade. And since she's going into 2nd grade, I thought this would be perfect to hone in on all of her skills thus far. Okay, so that's it for like the gamey type stuff. Now I did purchase a set because it was cheaper to purchase the set than to buy all of this individually. So this is a reading, I believe it's comprehension set. Again, I will have everything linked below, but this is everything that it came with. So we have a daily language book, which it has 35 weeks and an answer key, and it goes Monday through Friday. So they have like Monday is phonics, Tuesday is grammar, Wednesday is vocabulary, Thursday is reading literature, and Friday is writing. So I plan to incorporate this as something she does for her what we call morning work. It's just a nice little section that won't take her long at all to get through. It also came with a writing prompt journal, which is grades 1 through 2. It is a perfect place for students to practice narratives, opinion and argument pieces, and informative explanatory sentences. So this is what it looks like. It has a word bank, and it has a tiny sentence here to go off of. And then we have, like, this is something that I'm hoping to incorporate at least one day a week. So it's basically just targets writing opinion. As the book goes on, it does look like they have a few more like things. And then at the very back of the book, it has this like picture and what's happening. So again, maybe once a week, maybe once a day. It shouldn't take her very long to do that. And so that was part of the set. The other part of the set was this reading comprehension. Let me take this apart. It was this match and sort reading comprehension, grades 2 through 3. So it's a match and sort short, oh my gosh, sort quickies. So like here, we would just take it out of the set. It's got this nice Velcro and these cards that have main ideas on them and big ideas. Have a place the cards in a row, choose 4 sentence cards of the same color, place each one under the correct title card, sort the rest of the cards, then check your work. So they have main idea, let me see, main idea, compare and contrast, context clues, making inferences, key details, sequencing, cause and effect, informational text features. So it's definitely a skill building center that covers 8 different language concepts. That is the plan, as something she can also do independently. This came with the set. My idea for that is to put that in a morning basket, just one of them, and something she can focus on all week, not just something to do in a day, possibly even longer. So other things that came in the set was this Splash reading game. It is 2-syllable words for grades 1 through 2. It includes 108 cards that cover 100 2-syllable words. So it has a challenge. It is a team play where you can have the option to do that in a team. Can they read the word correctly? And it's decoding 2-syllable words, following basic patterns by breaking the words into syllables. Yeah. So just a fun little game to incorporate and play with her. I do believe it's a 2-player game, but I'm not positive. I'll have to read the directions. So another thing that came with it in the set, that's also part of the set, was this just clear page where I can put a piece of paper through there for dry erase. It did come with dry erase markers, 2 pencils, and a pencil sharpener in the set as well. And then it came with this bag. I'm not sure what these are, so I'm opening them with you. Okay, so this is, I don't know. This is a story map, which is pretty fun. Vocabulary, word and its meaning, main idea, mapping out. All things we can definitely be going over as summer approaches. And it does come with kind of this, like, what do you call this? Individual hands-on language kit. So it tells you what to do with the story map. It tells you what's included, the language journal, the prompt journal, building tile. Oh, here, building tiles. We are missing building tiles. So it comes with a student pack of building tiles, 4 white, write and white markers, the match and short comprehension reading, the splash game, 2 pencils, pencil sharpener, the wipe pocket, and 4 graphic organizer cards, which are these right here. So it tells you what you can do with your word bank, which is what this blank card was that we had, that I first showed you, that I had no idea what that's for. It does show you what to do with the vocabulary and the journal, the reading informational text, writing conventions, and the writing process. So just kind of a nice detailed laid out for what's in the kit and how to use it. It was significantly cheaper to buy everything in the kit than to purchase them all separately. I want to say like this alone right here was like 20 something dollars. Maybe I could be wrong, but it was up there enough where like each journal was like $3 or $4, and I think the whole kit alone was like $70. And this I know is $10 in itself. So just something to think about if you're interested in buying some of these things. They do come in sets, and I know they do that for a lot of the games as well, and sometimes it can be cheaper to do that when it comes to games, because you get 4 games for like a deal. So that is all. I can't believe I just showed you the entire Lakeshore haul. It seems like I got so much more, but I definitely didn't. I do plan on putting one more purchase in as we get closer to our second grade year, and purchase some more learning games. Not so much like anything. I really want the games. They have really cool games on Lakeshore Learning. I'll show you guys a clip right here of what they have on their website. If you have never bought from Lakeshore Learning, they do have some stores. We have one nearby, but I refuse to go there because I will buy the store. I really will. So I would rather purchase online, and I did enough damage, so I know better than to just walk into a store there. So that concludes this video. If you did enjoy this and like these types of hauls and things that I get from the store or websites, let me know in the comments, and please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification, you know the drill. And yeah, I'll be seeing you guys. Bye.